again, friends. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Walt Moore, and some of you know me as Dan Wilson. Kind of the old dual name thing going on these days. And kind of apologize for not being on the channel for a while. I've had a little bit of a sickness here lately, and a little touch of the stomach flu, and I guess a little bit of a cold or something there, but I'm doing a little better now. And so anyway, guys, just thought I'd show you another little home improvement type video, which I haven't done in a while. And if you're curious where I am now, first I shot video at the old house here. This is my mother and father's old house, built back in 1971. And it's going to need some fixing up. We're going to start on this about any day now and do some sheetrock repair and eventually some painting and replacing some of the trim and various things there. So over the next few days, weeks, or probably months, I'll keep you guys updated on some of the progress we're making here. So in the meantime, I'll show you a little bit around. Right now I'm just taking this room by room, wall by wall. And I was a semi-professional sheetrocker back quite a few years ago, about 4, almost 5 years, so I do know how to patch sheetrock and various things. I'll give you guys some pointers on how we do some of that. And anyway, just a little quickie for right now. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm starting out in one of the back bedrooms here. This is on the back, basically the northeastern corner of the house. And I got it all emptied out a few days ago. Most of the furniture and various things out of here to make room to get some work done. So it's just a little bit embarrassing at the moment because the house has gotten in pretty bad shape. But once I get to work on it, we're going to make it look like new again. So I'll give you guys a little quick look around the room here, and eventually we'll go to another room of the house and start doing some repairs and some work on that. So hang around. Well, guys, you can see over here is the original bedroom door, and that's probably going to be getting replaced sooner or later. You can see the well, the knob set or the latch set there is missing, and but we'll get that taken care of. If we look around over here, we got a little bit of a hole in the wall. Do a little zoom shot there. It's just what happened here was somebody slammed the door into the wall, and apparently there wasn't a door stop or anything, and it knocked a little hole in the wall there. So I'll be patching that here in a little bit and show you guys how to do a little patch-up work on that. I've been patching a few holes in the wall here. You can see I got some drywall mud going there. The kids got in here and did a little bit of crayon marking or whatever that came from. I don't really, you know, kids will be kids. They just do stuff like that. And so as soon as I can, I'll get some primer. Usually what I use is called Kills Primer that will cover that stuff up pretty effectively. And you can see we've had some joint tape has come loose here and there. I'll be replacing that in the very near future. The original windows are still in pretty good shape. There's no broken glass, and right now we have a piece of plastic on this north window. It's getting a little drafty in here, so that's just a temporary deal there. I'll be replacing that, put some nice mini blinds or something else, or curtains. I kind of prefer mini blinds over curtains, just my preference. And that's a pretty minor deal there. Most of the framework is still in pretty good shape. That's the north window. And over here we have a window to the east. And that one's still in pretty good shape too. No big major damage there. Sorry about the old bed being in the way. I'll get that out of here as soon as I can. But most windows are in pretty good shape. All the casing looks good, and I may or may not be replacing that. I don't really know yet, with some more modern type casing. And just different things. It's just going to take a lot of work. Over here I did some more patching and various things. We had some nail holes in the wall and a few little damage areas. Let me zoom in here just a little bit, guys, and show you that we had originally, back in the 1970s, they installed these older type receptacles. That one's pretty dirty, and it's going to be replaced pretty soon. That's the old 2-prong type there, and I plan on replacing those with the newer 3-prong receptacles. So that's something else also in the works. What we have up here is a combination of a little bit of water damage along with some smoke damage. For years we had an old wood stove in the living room that just wasn't drafting very well, and it caused a lot of smoke damage. There hasn't been a house fire here, guys. Don't get the wrong idea. It's just from the old wood stove. I guess while we're at it, mention a little something to you guys about stepladder safety. I can zoom the camera back out. Just a little bit here. This little ladder here is an old Werner brand. I love Werner products. They make the best step ladders in the world. I give them a little recommendation there, and pretty much all my step ladders are all Werner brand. Let me spin it around here for you. Yeah, there we go. There's a little Werner name brand there. Werner just makes, in my opinion, the best step ladders in the world. This one hung in there for nearly 30 years, and this is just part of construction work of any kind, be it electrical, be it painting, drywalling. You got to have a step ladder. This is a fiberglass 6-foot step ladder, and because of the fact I was mostly a professional electrician for most of my years, although I have done drywall and painting and just a wide variety of things, and the reason for using a fiberglass step ladder is so if I get a hold of a hot wire and I'm on this ladder, I'm not going to get shocked because this is all fully insulated. And I've told a few guys I've worked with, if you're on a fiberglass ladder and if you're not grounded anywhere, you can take your bare hand and grab hold of a hot wire and it's not going to shock you, because it can't go anywhere because you're not grounded anywhere. But what I was going to mention is, after so many years of use, these rivets down here start to get a little loose. I can get a little zoom shot there. So that's kind of got a little wiggle in it right there. And same thing on the other side over here. Why this went from a house remodel to a ladder video, it's just part of it. And so what happened about, almost 10 years ago, this pro ladder became retired. And because of OSHA regulations, and again, I'm not complaining, it needed to be retired from active job site service. So this is just a home ladder here. And for the last several years, I've just used this around the house and for painting. And this actually became the painting and drywall ladder, essentially. So, but I've had this old ladder since about late 1980s, I think, and it's done a really, really good job. Again, that's a Werner 6-foot fiberglass ladder, and out in the garage out back, I've got also another 6-foot ladder that replaced this ladder several years ago. And also have a very good 7-foot step ladder and a very good 8-foot step ladder, again, all fiberglass. So anyway, guys, that's about it for this little quickie, and just felt like shooting a little video this evening. And again, sorry I haven't been on the channel in a while. I just had a lot of stuff going on. I know I look a little grubby at the moment. I haven't taken time to shave or anything for a few days, and you may see a little bit of grease here and there because some of you know and some of you don't know, I also work part-time for a local trucking business, and we do a lot of work on those big trucks. And just yesterday, believe it or not, I was crawling around underneath a very, very large diesel truck doing an oil change and a grease job and some other stuff. So that's just part of my life. It's part of what I do. I work on diesel trucks, sometimes 2, sometimes 3 days a week. It varies a little bit. And other times I'm back to doing sheetrock and painting and electrical work and what the heck ever comes up. Anyway, guys, that's going to have to be a wrap for now. And just wanted to hop on here with a quick video and be keeping you guys updated on some of the progress here. And this house is going to be a fixer-upper, but I'm a fixer-upper kind of person, so I'm going to tear into it over the next few days, and just little by little. I was going to probably replace some of the baseboard and maybe the door casing, who knows what else. But anyway, thank you guys for checking out the video, and I'm going to have more of these coming up as time allows. A lot of times I'm just busy with other things in life, you know, like we all are. Got to keep my job going and other stuff where I just don't have the chance to shoot video on every little thing that comes up. But thank you guys for checking out this one. I really appreciate you guys a lot, and don't forget that like button right over there somewhere. Appreciate you guys pounding that like button for me. And if you have not done so yet, I strongly encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube video channel for more videos on home improvement, tool demonstration, maybe another music video. So one of these days, I don't know yet, guys, where it comes up. Don't forget that subscribe link is right over there in the corner. Just scroll over that, click on that, or touch on that if you're on your iPad or your iPhone or whatever. And that's about it for now. Don't forget to share with your friends. If you get a hold of this video and you like this kind of content, share with your friends, and let's keep those View counts going up, 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 guys. I really appreciate checking out the videos. Again, I'm Walt Moore, aka Dan Wilson. And as I close all my videos out, you guys take care. God bless. I'll catch up with you again on the next video.